Hello everyone, welcome to Hirender S3 tutorial. In this video, I will introduce how to add capture card resource in Hirender S3. First, let's check if the capture card is installed correctly. Right-click on Computer and choose Manager. Find Device Manager. Check Song, Video, and Game Controllers. The QP2000 is the capture card that we installed on this server. If you haven't found your capture card, please install the drivers for that and restart your server. Then, open our Hirender S3. In Media Resource, choose Add Capture Card. And choose the connected capture card port. Click on OK. The capture card is a kind of media resource, so you can drag it on either program or timeline to play it. If the capture card outputs incorrectly, you can use Graph Studio Next to set the capture card for troubleshooting. The Graph Studio Next has been installed with Hirender S3, so find it and run in the Hirender S3 folder. Choose Graph, insert Video Resource, choose the corrected port that you connected, and double-click on the node of the capture card. You can find the signal status of it, and you can set the video input to a correct type. We recommend you to choose Auto. Next, find Insert Video Renderer. Connect both nodes and click on Play. The captured image should show in the new window. If the window is black, it means the connection of the capture card have some troubles. Please check the cable or driver for it. That's all for Add Capture Card to Hirender S3. See you next video.